Welcome to Amazing Car, your go-to channel for the best truck reviews and in-depth explorations of automotive masterpieces. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Scania 770S V8, a truck that redefines power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Exterior design. At first glance, the Scania 770S V8 commands attention with its bold and aerodynamic design. The signature grille, massive air intakes, and LED lighting give it a powerful road presence. The sculpted lines not only enhance aesthetics but also improve airflow, reducing drag and increasing efficiency. The high roof and side deflectors contribute to its fuel economy, making it one of the most efficient V8 trucks on the market. Interior comfort technology. Step inside, and you're greeted by a luxurious cabin designed for long-haul comfort. The premium leather seats are fully adjustable with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The digital dashboard offers a fully customizable display, providing real-time data on fuel consumption, navigation, and engine performance. A massive 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an advanced voice command system. The bunk area has been upgraded with better insulation, an integrated refrigerator, and ambient lighting for a relaxing rest-stop experience. Performance engine. Under the hood lies the legendary 16.4 liters V8 engine, pushing out a staggering 770 horsepower and 3,700 Nm of torque. This beast ensures unmatched hauling capability, effortlessly handling the heaviest loads with smooth power delivery. The updated OptiCruise transmission offers seamless gear shifts, enhancing both performance and fuel efficiency. Advanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking make driving safer than ever. History legacy. Scania's V8 legacy dates back to 1969, evolving through decades of innovation and engineering excellence. The 770S represents the pinnacle of this legacy, offering the most powerful production truck engine ever built by Scania. Designed for efficiency, durability, and extreme power, it continues to dominate the trucking industry. Conclusion. The 2025 Scania 770S V8 is a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and reliability. Whether you're a long-haul driver or a trucking enthusiast, this truck sets new standards in the industry. What do you think about the Scania 770S V8? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible truck reviews. Thanks for watching Amazing Car. See you in the next video.